Well, I'm retiring another pair of shoes. Seems like there ought to be a ceremony or something for this.
Surveyor's been here. Looks like we're next in line for a new water line.
Finally, I'm getting a start on this built-in china cupboard right in the back wall of the dining room.
I've been making some headway on the built-in china cupboard and the pantry built-in cupboard.
That cupboard still needs doors and drawers, and of course a couple of coats of varnish to finish it, but at least we can get an idea what it might look like eventually.
Most of the hardwood floors are installed. It's possible to walk from the front door to the back door, all on the wood flooring now. Of course, it all has to be sanded and finished. What remains to be done is one small half bath and one bedroom upstairs. And that completes the hardwood flooring. Also, I have all of the kitchen cupboards installed in the main floor kitchen.
Taking down the old mulberry tree to make way for some flowering trees, probably redbud. along the fence here.
I might not have taken this tree down, but it was growing too close to the fence and to the house next door. Probably the maple is too, and it's starting to die. Up in the top, it's been said a maple tree grows for 100 years and then it dies for 100 years.
So here's something fun that happened. You guys remember in the last fall when I was finishing the chimney video, I was putting that metal cap on the top of the chimney and complaining about it because it wasn't really what I wanted. So I don't really like it. What I really want is a chimney pot. They look so cool and so old-fashioned. Well, a local potter who saw my video decided that he could do something about it. And so his name is Terry, and he's a master potter who has access to the large kiln at the Flint Institute of Arts. And Terry's specialty is large pieces. So he wants to do a chimney pot for me. And he's got the other artists there working on it with him. The director of that part of the Flint Institute of Arts, the pottery department, guy, Professor Adamick, is providing some of the materials. And so that is something I'm pretty excited about, something to look forward to. I'm excited.
Even though we fire this and make it, impervious to moisture so it'll make it through the winter, is my concern.
So the furnace never shuts off. I think it's running at 2150. I was kidding. My kiln's hotter than your kiln.
Wow!
So that's got 400 pounds of molten glass in it that never shuts off.
Wow.
These houses are listed for sale now. We've had a lot of windy days this spring. Double flowering tulip.